Hey guys, it's me Quang here, back with another video, and today I am going to take a look at this Logitech combo touch case for this 11-inch iPad Pro. First up, I will jump into unboxing, but this time with a little bit of a twist. It's not that usual place where I unbox my iPad, but it's somewhere. So yeah.
Okay, no more.
Okay, spot. Do the honors. Oh my gosh. There's actually a pull tab which you have to pull that out. And there you go. Stick that there. And then it should be able to get it. Like so.
So we
Oh, don't bend the thing, don't bend my iPad, don't bend my iPad. And then it's just...
yeah, one line.
That's it.
It's gonna fall.
Kickstand out.
Be bigger.
More.
More.
There you go. Train's coming as well. Alright, well that's the unboxing. So let's add on to the features. How is this iPad? It's just like the moment when I hands on with the case, I just felt like, hey, it looks like a Surface Pro by having a detachable keyboard. Of course, a detachable keyboard. And with magnets that can actually hit itself, or you can flip it around and you do it other way, whichever way works. Just like a Surface Book. Speaking of the keyboard, the typing experience is excellent. Just don't mind what I type. Oh god, oh no, oh. The case, this combo touch is actually lighter than a Magic Keyboard, which I don't know how did they do that, but due to the material they use, maybe. I'm not sure about that one, but yeah.
What we do here is go back.
Otis.
So let's jump into a little bit of a less positive thing after this keyboard. So you see the moment when I open this iPad, yeah, when I flip the keyboard out to over 180 degrees, it just sort of detaches because, well, the keyboard detaches. And it sort of left me a little bit unintuitive, like, you know, I have to fumble around the back so that I can attach the keyboard and yeah, just like that. It's just not that intuitive. Which leads me perfectly to, well, not really perfectly, but like typing on the lap. You know, a kickstand wouldn't even stand a chance. Haha, get it? Kickstand. Anyways, yeah, a kickstand wouldn't even stand a chance to, you know, typing on the lap. It just rocks around. It gives you that uneasiness that, oh, my iPad's gonna fall. It's not gonna be very structural. It's not really that well compared to the Magic Keyboard. So if you don't like it, that part, well, I'm sorry. You're gonna either get used to it or just buy the Magic Keyboard. I don't know if that really matters to you. So, yeah, and one last part, the Apple Pencil. Like, the way when I usually carry my iPad upside down just sort of clangs around my hand with the Apple Pencil, and it tends to easily fall. Like, it's just, I don't feel safe carrying my Apple Pencil with my, what I would usually do is just to take it off and just put it somewhere safe. Like, just chuck it in my pocket, or probably just left in my bag. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend leaving it in a bag. I would recommend it, like, just chucking in a pencil case or something like that, because Apple Pencil, you know, pencil case, very appropriate. But yeah, that's all the negatives point that I have with this case so far, apart from my accidental wear and tear, which left it a mark, quite a little bit of a mark there and a mark there. But yeah, overall, I think this case is, you know, it's a pretty good case. It's very affordable. Well, technically it's still affordable than a Magic Keyboard, although the price is around $300. I think you would rather get like a Bluetooth keyboard in that case, but trust me, this is so much better than a wimpy Bluetooth keyboard case. But yeah, overall, I think of this eye patch, because I do sneak in a little B-roll footage for the eye patch in a little part that might make you a little bit confusing about what's happening, but let me just clear this up a little bit. I just like doing things a little bit different this way. I'm not sure if you guys like it. If you like it, comment down below. Otherwise, let me just go into conclusion. So this eye patch is, I would say, it is one of the best tech devices I've been hands-on this year. So far, it has been one of the best. Like, and it's also have a special place in my heart because I paid it with my own money. I don't use my parents' funds, which I would love to do more of that. Anyways, I've been a little bit off tangent, but this iPad is just so good. Like, from the special experience of the camera, special experience, yes, I do have some special experience with the camera. With the good speakers.
We're BFF, right? Yeah. Well, yeah, how could I forget your legendary 3D TV stream? Your dance moves just, oh, captivating, legendary. Oh, thank you so much. みんな意外と私の配信。
Yes, extremely good speakers. This is like up there with the MacBook Pro 16-inch. The bright, you know, screen, very bright screen, up to like 1000 nits while being HDR, I think. 600 nits every day. And we have port versatility with the Type-C ports. Yes, the USB Type-C, which now got upgraded to a Thunderbolt. I didn't notice any transfer speed differences, unfortunately, compared to my iPhone transfer speed, because I have my Lightning to USB adapter. But, you know, those two are very different things. Those two are very different connectors, so I shouldn't even compare it like that. There's something wrong with it. But just the ports side of things, it's just so much unity between my cables and my accessories. And the software, though, it's good that Apple finally break free through the iOS kind of thing, but it's still iPad. It's still an iPad. You gotta, it's like a kick back to the reality thing. It's still an iPad. It's not yet a computer. It's like your next computer. It's not a computer because it's technically an iPad. Well, it's not really a computer, but yeah, you got the idea. It's not really a computer. And one last thing, the Apple Pencil, man, it's like a cherry on the freaking top, or something like that, if you wanna say something about that kind of saying. It's just amazing. The feeling of like the joy of, you know, digital pen and paper. But yeah, it should give you the same experience as like writing on a paper. While I do recommend getting a screen protector for this thing, just don't get paper-like, will you? Don't get paper-like. Even though I've seen so many reviews, but I haven't tried it. Just please, for the sake of your own good, don't get paper-like. It's bloody expensive. $50? No, thank you. But yeah, this iPad overall has been a very good iPad. Yes, I would love to own one of these, which I did. I love owning this so far. I've had a joy using this, and actually I have a confession to make. I don't even use my laptop anymore, the Aero 15X. I don't bring it to school anymore. I just left it at home. It's more of a mobile workstation, if you know what I mean. But I would just work on my desktop anyways, because what's the point? I don't know. Like, see, if I were to buy a MacBook Pro, things would go differently with how I'm using my tech nowadays. But due to like constraints and the fact that I need a new computer, then yeah, I just have to settle for that. But anyways, that has been it for the Logitech case review, unboxing, and the 2 months iPad reviews. Just kind of like two of the same video, just jump it in. So yes, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to, you know, just comment down below. This review has not been really detailed. You can watch other people's reviews. This is just my perspective, so it might have some things missed out. But I'm just speaking on my own experience. If you guys have more experience with it, just comment down below. I'd love to hear that. Also, you know, down there is my description, all that kinds of stuff. Click on there, go watch my other videos, you know, comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Hit the bell icon. Yeah, I love to see interactions with my channel. So yes, thank you guys, and I'll see you dudes in the next one. Jana.